thing. I'm back over to the shop. Went and picked up a workbench. I'll show you guys. This thing is massive. I mean, obviously, he told me what the dimensions, but I did not think that it was gonna be this big. As you can see, it takes up the whole bed of the truck. But I'm gonna get this unloaded, get it measured, and then get a top for it. I'm thinking about putting this plywood as the base, and then putting plexiglass over the top to kind of make it just a smooth surface, and I could mount my vise and stuff to it. But anyway, let me get this thing unloaded, and then get it in the shop and get it measured. Okay, so there you got it. This joker is 5 feet wide by 6.5 feet, 34 inches tall, with about a 2 3/4 lip right here. So, I mean, it's definitely heavy duty. It's on casters, but I mean, for what I paid for it, I don't think you could beat it for the price. What I plan on doing with it is just taking probably some 2x4s and running them across here, then using a 3/4 inch plywood. That should bring it up almost flush to the surface, and then I'll get plexiglass to put all the way over that too, to give it like just a smooth surface to work off of. So I like it because it's on casters. I've had workbenches before that was mainly just stationary, and they can get in the way, especially in a maintenance shop. You know, where you want to have some fluidness to the design. So I like this because, you know, I can move it pretty much wherever I need it at, depending on what I'm working on, or just you know, push it over into a corner. So I'm gonna go pick up the wood and stuff probably today or tomorrow, and then I'll get this thing together. So stay tuned. So here's what I got. I got some 2x2s that I'm gonna cut to fit inside this rail. We should leave me just enough room left on this edge right here to fit a piece of plywood, and then to top it off with a plexiglass, which you know, if all goes well, that should just be smooth with this area right here. But what I don't want is a lip on this side, but I wouldn't mind, you know, if I had a little, if it was too thick and it was over. So I'm gonna get working on this. get the idea now. So I'm just using some leftover material that was out in the back, and it's not wide enough. So what I'm gonna do is take this 2x4. I was using 2x2s up front, but now I'm gonna take this 2x4 and split it in between this sheet and the other sheet. That way you'll be able to fasten both sides to this one board. All right. So now you can see this little bit of lip right here. So when I go get the plexiglass and put it on top of this, then it should be flush with the board. I mean with the table. So got a little lip all the way around. So I'm gonna go ahead and knock out that other side, and then I'll check back in. There it is. Like I said, I just wanted to be able to leave just a little lip around the edge, so when I go get the plexi board to put over the top of it, it should be flush with the metal edge here. I thought about painting it. I mean, I might paint it. Yeah, we'll see. But yeah, I mean, pretty much I got the table for $100, and then I got the wood for free, and a little manual labor, and got us a nice work table. The reason why I split like that, just for FYI, the table is 6.5 feet by 5 feet. So there really is no way to put the wood on there, to use a single sheet of wood or a single sheet of plexiglass for that matter. But what I am gonna do is to offset that seam that runs down the middle, I'm gonna run the plexi board this way, so it'll be a seam that comes down the middle here. And you know, I might paint the table black or put the logo in the middle of the table. It just depends on, you know, how fancy I feel like getting. But yeah, that's it. I mean, that's the finished product there for now. So that's gonna do it for this this project here. Like I said, a lot of things going on around the shop, you know, just incrementally trying to improve. Like I just got back and got into the space and started you know, cleaning, and then just getting everything set up so that I could start working out of it. Slowly but surely we're gonna get this thing back together. Don't forget to like, follow, subscribe, and share. Hey, it's free. You know, you can help your boy out. Till next time, peace.